Best shot in seconds, say what matters. India achieved a historic milestone in defense manufacturing as officials announced that 22 weapons systems developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, received government approval in 2025 with a combined value of approximately 1.30 lakh rupees crore. This marks the highest single-year clearance for indigenous defense projects in the country's history. DRDO Chairman Dr. Sameer V. Kamath confirmed the announcement during the organization's 68th Foundation Day celebration on 1 January 2026. He stated that the acceptance of necessity, (AON) approvals would allow Indian industries to manufacture these advanced systems, significantly bolstering the nation's efforts toward defense self-reliance under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. The approved systems include cutting-edge missiles, artillery, radar, and other critical platforms designed to enhance operational readiness and strategic capabilities. By empowering domestic industries to produce these high-tech systems, India aims to reduce dependence on imports, strengthen local supply chains, and enhance technological expertise in the defense sector. In addition to the approvals, DRDO signed 11 contracts worth 26,000 crore rupees with production partners during 2025, further cementing collaboration between research organizations and Indian defense manufacturers. These contracts cover production, assembly, and testing of advanced systems, providing opportunities for private and public sector enterprises to participate in strategic projects. Experts say that this record-breaking year reflects both the technological maturity of DRDO's development programs and India's growing emphasis on indigenous defense capabilities. The milestone is expected to accelerate domestic defense production, create employment opportunities, and contribute to the broader goals of strategic autonomy. As India continues its journey toward becoming a global defense manufacturing hub, 2025 stands out as a landmark year, demonstrating the country's commitment to innovation, self-reliance, and the strengthening of national security infrastructure. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such updates.